Hi guys, today I cooked this juicy, delectable piece of salmon and I'm going to show you just what I did. First, I started with a Parmesan garlic butter, got this at Target, and then I added it to my skillet. Remember, it is a Parmesan cheese garlic butter, so it's going to kind of be hard to spread because it has cheese in it, but be patient and just go ahead on and let it sear around in that hot skillet. Now here comes the good part. You're going to go ahead and lay your nice piece of salmon in that hot skillet. I let mine cook on this side for about 5 minutes because it's very thick cut. And I seasoned the top of the fish with a blackened season, which is Tony Satchery. Now guys, I had to be patient because again, this is a kind of a thick cut piece of salmon. So I want to make sure that it was sealing in all that flavor of the garlic butter and just want to make it nice and juicy. So after the 5 minutes, I went on and flipped it. And now on the other side, I'm going to seal in the seasoning from the Tony Satchery. And then I'm going to lightly season the top with the Tony Satchery. So for those who are wondering why I'm lightly seasoning the top of the fish, it's because I want to add an extra layer of flavor from the Old Bay. I don't know, it's just something about that Old Bay. It goes well with another season because it's not heavily salted, but it's full of flavor. Okay guys, I have my dish that I'm going to transfer my fish to. The dish I have is definitely an oven safe dish because we're going to finish cooking the salmon in the oven. When I tell y'all this is the most juiciest salmon, oh my god, this was so delicious. So now we're going to go and make our sauce. I'm going to start with a little white cooking wine just to deglaze the bottom of that skillet and get all that flavor up. I see I got a little piece of fish still moving around in there. I'm going to also add just a little bit more of that garlic butter. So the sauce is going to be very flavorful. Okay guys, now my sauce is coming along just fine. Now I'm going to add the main attraction, and that is some crab meat. This is the flavor that is going to bring this sauce to a whole different level. I am adding some Old Bay seasoning that's going to heighten it even more. And this is what we're going to top our salmon with and finish it off in the oven. Okay guys, I am trying to get every piece of this crab meat because as you know, crab meat is not cheap. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven guys at 400 degrees. 10 minutes should do it and we should be done. Guys, I am in love. This recipe here, this juicy piece of salmon that is sitting in garlic butter topped with this crab meat topping, it was very, very delicious. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you like the video, go ahead and share in a comment what you like about it and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.